Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest tech gadgets. In this video, we'll be comparing the HyperX Solocast microphone and the Aokeo USB condenser microphone. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or gamer, you might want to stick around and see which one of these two is the best fit for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. When it comes to audio quality, both microphones deliver excellent sound. However, the HyperX Solocast offers high-res 24-bit 96 kHz recording, which means you can expect studio-level quality. On the other hand, the Aokeo microphone uses a professional 192 kHz 24-bit condenser microphone chip that makes your voice sound smooth and clear. So in terms of audio quality, both are good choices. If you're looking for an easy-to-use microphone, then the HyperX Solocast is your go-to device. It's a plug-and-play device that comes with a USB-C connection. The tap-to-mute sensor feature is also a great time saver. However, the Aokeo mic is also a plug-and-play device that can connect to various devices using either a USB-A or USB-C cable. So in terms of ease of use, both microphones are easy to set up and use. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone supports more devices compared to the HyperX Solocast. The Aokeo mic can be connected to computers, notebooks, PlayStation 4 and 5, mobile phones, Mac, and other devices. However, the HyperX Solocast has a thread mount adapter which makes it compatible with most mic stands or boom arms, so it comes down to what devices you plan on using the microphone with. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone comes with an isolation shield that can block unwanted noise from entering your microphone. This helps in making the sound you're recording clearer. In comparison, the HyperX Solocast doesn't come with an isolation shield. If you're someone who wants to record better quality sound and reduce external noise, the Aokeo microphone might be a better choice for you. So there you have it, our comparison of the HyperX Solocast and the Aokeo USB condenser microphone. Both are great choices, but it ultimately depends on what you're looking for. We hope this video helped you make your decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you and see you in the next one.